Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit, and this is a Leibovit volume reversal tutorial here on Metastock. The volume reversal toolkit is available on a 1-month free trial here at Metastock, and it provides 3 versions of the volume reversal: the sequential, directional, and 2-day. We use the sequential on these videos, which post all positive and negative volume reversals. For more information on vrtrader.com, go to vrtrader.com, and you'll see the series of newsletters that you may already know that we publish from previous videos. So we're not going to spend a lot of time on that at this time. Also, as a reminder, I'm attending the Traders Expo at the Marriott Marquis in New York City, Sunday the 20th through the 23rd. So as you're hearing this, we're already one day into the conference. So if you're in the New York area, please stop by. In early March, I'm going to be in Orlando at the Disney Contemporary Hotel for the Money Show. So if you're down in Orlando, we're going to be doing a somewhat similar workshop at that time. Jumping into our charts this morning, last week we looked at Wynn Resorts, which had a nice little move for us, and we traded it at vrtrader.com. I think we took over 10 points in that trade. In any event, I wanted to show MGM Resorts, which is not following the exact same pattern, but more importantly is conforming nicely to the Leibovit negative and positive VR. So let's scoot all the way back here to the I don't know what that error message came from. Here we are back on December 30th, Leibovit negative VR, and as you can see, a nice decline ensued in the next couple weeks. There was a positive VR here on January 5th, but as you know, I try to use that 533 stochastic as a somewhat confirming indicator. So when we got that positive VR, we had a declining 5.3, and that should have been ignored at that time for that reason. Meanwhile, that negative VR back on December 30th was a powerful one, and let's see, we generated a positive VR on January 27th, and that resulted in a 2 or 3 day trade to the upside, and that was also confirmed by a positive 533 stochastic, a rising 533. And the negative VR was formed on February 2nd, and that was confirmed by a declining, so there was a nice little trade there. Generally, we take trades after a couple of days, but obviously this went a little bit further. And then we had a little positive VR here on February 12th, a nice 2-3 day rally, and then we had a negative VR. This was last Thursday on the 18th, and so far there's only been about a 2-day effect on that one, but there was a declining 533, just as there was a rising for the positive VR before that. So nice confirmation here with the VRs with MGM, if you can tie in that 533, and that's the point of these videos, to show you how the VR can really help your trading, and you should sign up here at Metastock if you haven't done so already. So again, thanks for checking in, and we'll be back with you hopefully next week. This is Mark Leibovit, vrtrader.com, and speaking for Metastock, please sign up for that free 1-month trial.